Welcome to our coverage of the latest Apple update. Today, we're diving into iOS 17.5.1. Apple recently released this update to address a bug where deleted photos reappeared in the Photos library. In this video, we'll discuss what this update includes, specifics of the bug it fixes, user experiences, and how you can update your iPhone to iOS 17.5.1. Whether you've encountered this problem or just want to stay informed, we've got you covered. Apple has just rolled out iOS 17.5.1 to fix a significant bug from the iOS 17.5 release. This bug caused deleted photos to reappear in the Photos library, frustrating many users. The official notes state this update provides essential fixes for a rare issue caused by database corruption. Users reported old deleted images resurfacing, which caused confusion and concern for their data. Apple's swift response showcases their commitment to maintaining ecosystem integrity. To update, go to Settings, select General, and tap Software Update. It's recommended to install this update ASAP to keep your device operating smoothly. The bug addressed by iOS 17.5.1 involved photos reappearing in the Photos library due to database corruption. Imagine deleting old photos only to find them back later. This issue caused the Photos app to mistakenly restore deleted photos, frustrating many users. Apple's update targets and resolves this database corruption, ensuring that when you delete a photo, it stays deleted. Updating to iOS 17.5.1 stops these old, deleted photos from resurfacing and secures your Photos library. Many iPhone users experienced frustration with the iOS 17.5 update, seeing old deleted photos reappear in the Photos library. This glitch varied from a few old images to a significant number reappearing. It disrupted the seamless experience expected from Apple. This bug raised questions about data integrity and privacy. Apple quickly rolled out iOS 17.5.1 to address this issue. Users shared their experiences on forums and social media, highlighting the widespread impact. The release of iOS 17.5.1 has been met with relief, resolving the reappearing photos issue and ensuring a smoother photo library experience. To update your iPhone to iOS 17.5.1, unlock your iPhone and go to the Settings app. Tap on General and then Software Update. The system will check for updates, and you'll see iOS 17.5.1. Ensure your device is connected to a charger and has a stable internet connection. Tap Download and Install and follow on-screen instructions to complete the process. This update is crucial as it fixes the significant bug causing deleted photos to reappear. Keeping your iPhone updated ensures optimal functionality and security. With iOS 17.5.1, Apple addresses a critical bug causing deleted photos to reappear. This issue stemmed from database corruption, making it possible for old deleted photos to mysteriously reappear. By fixing this bug, Apple reinforces its reliability and dedication to user trust and data integrity. This update ensures your Photos library remains secure and your data actions are definitive and dependable. Updating to iOS 17.5.1 protects against this bug and maintains the overall health of your iPhone software. iPhone users have shared positive feedback after updating to iOS 17.5.1. They report improved performance and no more unexpected deleted photos appearing. Users express relief and satisfaction with the update, highlighting its effectiveness in fixing the previous bug. This restored confidence in the reliability of their iPhone storage systems. Testimonials emphasize a smoother experience and efficient workflow post-update. Tech experts commend Apple's swift action in releasing iOS 17.5.1. This update signifies Apple's dedication to user data integrity and reliability. Analysts and cybersecurity experts emphasize the importance of addressing the unusual database corruption that led to the deleted photos resurfacing. Journals and tech analysts praise Apple for isolating the issue and deploying a solution quickly, ensuring user trust in iOS's security remains intact. Comparing iOS 17.5.1 to its predecessor versions, The significant improvement is the fix for the deleted photos bug caused by database corruption. Beyond this fix, users have noticed minor tweaks in performance and stability, reflecting Apple's ongoing commitment to improving its software. Updating to iOS 17.5.1 enhances your overall iPhone experience, ensuring smoother operation and better photo library management. It underscores Apple's dedication to timely and effective problem solving. Looking ahead to future iOS updates, Apple is expected to continue improving user experience and security. The resolution of the Photos library bug with iOS 17.5.1 shows their attentiveness to user feedback. Future updates may include refinements, enhancements, and new features that further secure user data and improve device performance. Keeping your device up to date is essential for optimal performance and security. As we've discussed, iOS 17.5.1 is here to fix the bug causing deleted photos to reappear. This update brings crucial fixes for an issue with database corruption in the Photos library. If you're an eligible iPhone user, navigate to Settings, then General, and select Software Update to install iOS 17.5.1. Staying updated is essential to maintaining data integrity and a smooth user experience. Thanks for joining us, and don't forget to subscribe to stay informed on the latest updates.